Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Teams error code 0xc0000020 that you're experiencing that says that the program is not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually open up the search menu and type in apps. Best match, come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In this apps list field, type in Teams. Best result should come back on Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down underneath Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try and repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select the Repair button. And then once that's done, you go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And then attempt to launch the Microsoft Teams application and see if that has resolved the problem. If you're still experiencing an issue, something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu again, type in apps and features, again go underneath that, and then once again in the apps list, go ahead and search for Teams. Go ahead and select the Microsoft Teams app and then select the three-dotted icon next to it and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down underneath Reset, and now this time we're going to go underneath if this app still isn't working right. Reset it, the app's data will be deleted. Select the Reset option. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, again, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.